सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर। मंजिल को पाने के लिए कदम भी तो आगे बढ़ाओ यारो। What's up everyone, my name is Akshay Shrimali and I am CS aspirant and also a member of Unique Academy's family and here to share my journey of CS till now. Being an average student in my school days, selecting CS as a career opportunity was a tough task because there are many people who say that CS is a tough course, it's difficult to clear. Same thing was there in my mind too. But still, or after all those things, I have enrolled myself for CSET. Once in the lockdown phase, I was just browsing through the YouTube and Google Chrome to get some information regarding CSET because that was a pure new concept that ICSI have launched. So while browsing on YouTube, I found one live lecture going on Indian Contract Act by CS Shubham Modi. I watched that whole lecture and there I got to know about Unique. I started watching all the lectures, marathon, revision lectures, test series, everything about after that 4 months only, I had a very special bond with the teachers. Though the teachers were so amazing, so friendly. I mean, I'm not a correct person. I don't feel myself on the position to talk or to say something about the faculties and their just the one thing that I love that made me fall in love with Unique was the dedication level of all the teachers. And after clearing CSET with really good score, now I have to face the big step towards my goal, that was CS Executive. Now I have entered CS Executive. Again, so many questions in my mind, like whether to go for single module or both module. If I go for both module, then there are 8 subjects and that 8 subjects have totally, there are 2 more practical subjects in that 8 subjects also. Practical subjects, a person like me who is not good in practical subjects at all. I used to feel that if I can solve any sum, then that sum can be solved by anyone in the world. I was that poor. So I talked to Ashish sir regarding the situation that I had and I told him that it's very hard for me. So he told me just one thing, that if it was hard, then if it wasn't hard enough, so everyone would have done it. It's hard that makes it great. So I was like, fine, yeah, that's true. So I started working for both modules. Ashish sir was always there for me. Not only Ashish sir, but all the faculties. Whenever I feel talking to someone, whenever I feel demotivated or feel low about, I always call them and get myself charged with the motivation and the positivity. The Unique have that positive environment, positive vibes. Even if you talk with any of the faculties, even for 1 minute, you get that positive vibe from them. And one thing that I love about Ashish sir's teaching practice was in the school days, it was like the trend that teachers used to just give us the formula and tell us to rectify it, mug up the formula, insert the values and start solving, right? But now in Unique, I saw and I found that Ashish sir not only he teaches the formula, but he tells us to derive the formula. How? Through our non-mathematical logical manner. Yeah, I mean, he teaches everything from the scratch. I mean, being a student after clearing 12th standard, he has taught us also how to calculate percentage on calculator. We had no idea about how to use calculator before because we always use hand notebook and pen for calculation. He have taught everything on calculator, everything from the scratch. So person like me who was not confident enough in practical subjects started getting some confidence. Now it was the MCQ pattern, the FM and CMA from as type of MCQ pattern. So he made us solve minimum 250 MCQs in each chapter and approximately 3,000 4,000 MCQs in each subject. That means for FM 4000 MCQs and for CMA 4000 MCQs. So now we are so confident that we feel that there are no scope of coming questions out of that MCQ box that we have solved. And one more thing about the different it is Unique is a place where you get everything perfect. The perfection level is absolutely outstanding. In other institutes, some faculty might be good in this chapter or subject, but other faculty might not be that satisfying. But in Unique, each and every faculty is amazing in its field. They want the students to learn from the best teachers. So, and the unity they have, the academy have, it's amazing. The notes that we received from ICS, the whole modules, it was so thick that I was joking when I saw the modules that so thick. How will I study? How will I be able to complete the 8 subject books so together? Then Ashish sir told me, why are you worrying about the modules? You don't need to watch the modules. We have our own notes. You prefer that. You study that. And in that notes, each and every line, each and every para was so understanding. It was so in such an easy manner. Even if you read it, you will get to know the concept. And the memory techniques they use, the concept clarity, the entertaining behavior, the friendly talks in the nature, everything is so amazing. We don't feel that we are part of any institute. It's a pure family for us. No, earlier we used to think that we should get some holiday, we should get some off to relax our own self. But now if we get even a one day, or if we miss out one lecture also, we feel something is missing. We are so, so involved with them. We had that special bond with them. And if anyone asks me about CS or CA, that if I'm preferring CA and I'm doing CS, I always tell them, just watch one of the lectures from Unique Academy. It's amazing and you will fall in love with them. Honestly, I have recommended so many people, and they are so satisfied, so happy with the faculty, so happy with the arrangement, the management. So I don't have much words to say about the faculties, and I don't even stand that stage to tell something about them. But for me, Unique Academy is the best academy that I can have, and I'm blessed to be the part of it. Thank you so much, and please be a part of our family soon. Thank you.